Passive voice. Member of the SEC group Arliansa Nurul Aini Octaviani.
Objective. After studying this material, students are able to understand and assess passive voice instance to create active and passive tense material descriptions. Object of point. Students are able to understand of passive voice instance. Students are able to create active and passive tense.
That destroying a protein or the most frequently happens in Tasikmalaya, West Java province. Earthquakes are caused by suddenly break of underground rock along of fault. This sudden release a huge amount of seismic wave energy. The ground will be shaken when it happens. When two plates or two blocks of rock are rubbing against each other, they will be shake together, but they don't shake smoothly. Rock are not moving but still pressing against each other. After several times, the rest will be broken to all pressure and then pull up. When those rock break, the earth happen is will have to maintain all environment so there will be no earthquake happen. Answer the following question. 1. What is the main idea of the above paragraph? Earthquake. 2. Read the underlined sentence and analyze the structure. Earthquakes are caused by suddenly break of underground rock along a fault passive voice. The ground will be shaken when it happens passive voice. Will be stick together. The rock will be broken to all the sort that with
Active and passive voice. There are some steps in converting active voice to passive voice. Convert the position of object and object of the active tense. The professor teaches the student. Subject, verb, object of verb. The student are taught by the professor. Subject, verb, object of preposition. Add proper auxiliary after the noun subject. The professor will teach the student. The student will be taught by the professor. Change the verb into verb 3 past participle and add be afterward. The professor teaches the student. Subject, verb, object of verb. Students are taught by the professor. Subject be plus verb 3 object of preposition. Passive voice rule for tense. Tense present simple. S plus F1 plus S plus S. Example, my mom makes a cake. S plus is or am or are plus verb 3. Example, a cake is made by my mom. Present continuous. S plus is plus am. S plus is or am or are plus verb ing. Example, she is planting some trees. S plus is or am or are plus being plus verb 3. Example, some trees, the trees are being planted by us. Present perfect. Structure S plus has or have plus verb 3. Example, someone has stolen the cars. S plus has or have plus been plus verb 3. Example is someone has stolen the cars. The cars have been stolen. Present perfect continuous. S plus has or have plus been plus F ing. Example, Jen and Jenna have been playing harp. S plus has or have plus been plus being plus verb 3. Example, harp has been played by Jen and Jenna. Simple future will. Structure S plus will or shall plus F1. Example, Bob will buy some books in the bookstore. S plus will or shall plus B plus F3. Example, some books will be bought in the bookstore. Simple future be going to. S plus is or am or are plus going to plus F1. Example, they are going to make a candlelight dinner tonight. S plus is or am or are plus being to be plus F3. Example, a candlelight dinner is going to be them tonight. Future continuous will. Structure S plus will or shall to be plus B plus F ing. Example, the president will be delivering a speech at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Structure S will or shall plus B plus being plus F3. Example, a speech will be being delivered by the president at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Tense future continuous be going to. Structure S plus is or am or are plus going to plus B plus F ing. Example, Maria is going to be presenting the result. S plus is plus am plus S plus is or am or are plus going to plus B plus being plus F3. The result is going to be being present by Maria. Future perfect will. S plus will plus have plus F3. The student will have completed the paper before the deadline. S plus will have been plus 3 F3. The paper will have been completed by the student before the deadline. Future perfect being going to. S plus is or am or are plus going to plus have plus F3. Example, the students are going to have completed the paper before the deadline. S plus is or am or are to going to have been plus have 3. The paper is going to have been completed by the student before the deadline. Future perfect continuous will. S plus will plus have been plus F ing. Example, she will have been eating the watermelon. S will the have been plus being plus F3. The watermelon will. Example, the watermelon will have been being eaten by her. Future perfect continuous be going to. S plus is or am or are going to or have been plus F ing. Example, the famous singer are going to have been singing the song for over 2 days by the time is the finish. S plus is or am or are to going to plus have been plus being plus F3. The song are going to have been being sung by the famous singer for over the 2 days by the time is finished. Past simple. F plus F2 S was or were plus F3, Robbie bought some movies ticket. S was plus what? Example is some movie tickets were bought by Robbie. Past continuous. S plus was plus were. S plus was or were plus F ing. Example, the president was singing Indonesia Raya. S plus was or were plus being plus F3. Example, Indonesia Raya was being sung by this president. Past perfect. Structure S plus had plus F3. Example, I had delivered the burgers. S plus had been plus F3. The burgers had been delivered by him. Tense past perfect continuous. S plus had been plus F ing. Example, Chef Juna had been preparing the restaurant Fantastic Dinner for 2 years before to move to Surabaya. S plus have been plus being plus F3. The restaurant Fantastic Dinner had been being prepared by Chef Juna for 2 years before to move to Surabaya. Future in the past world. Structure S plus world plus F1. Example, he would written the letters. S plus world plus B F3 plus F3. Example, the letters would be written by him. Causative form. Structure S plus have or have somebody plus F1 plus something S plus gets somebody plus 2 plus F1 plus something. Example, we have your repair the computer. S plus has or have or get something for F3 plus B plus someone, where we have the computer repaired by you.
Okay, my by model auxiliaries or present perfect. S plus modal auxiliaries plus have plus P3 S plus modal auxiliaries plus have plus been plus P3. The crocodile might have killed her. She might have been killed by the crocodile. The continuous form of present perfect, past perfect, future, and future perfect are very rarely used in the present. Past perfect built in this Wednesday was important from now. All of those basic sentences are just example of the use present without the verb phrase. The passage is used at the beginning. The personal word is the action. Channel and before time or others used from the context. Usually, this is used without a verb phrase. The passage is most frequently used when it is now or not important to now easily to perform an action. When rice is grown in Indonesia by people, by farmers, by someone is not important to know. Sally, who grows rice in Padang. F. Laskar Pelangi written by Andre Gerata. The verb phrase include because it's important to now who perform an action.
Exercise 2. Directions. Change the active to the passive. Number 1. Number 1. Exercise 1, exercise 2. Number 1, Bob writes some letters. Some letters are bulked by Bob. Number 2, Bob wrote some letters. Some letters were written by Bob. Number 3, Bob will write some letters. Some letters will be written by Bob. Bob is writing some letters. Some letters are being written by Bob. Bob was writing some letters. Some letters were being written by Bob. Bob is going to write some letters. Some letters are going to be written by Bob. Bob has written some letters. Some letters have been written by Bob. Bob had written some letters. Some letters had been written by Bob. Bob has to write some letters. Some letters have to be written by Bob. Bob must write some letters. Some letters must be written by Bob. Is Bob writing some letters? Are some letters being written by Bob? Did Bob write some letters? Were some letters written by Bob? Has Bob written some letters? Some letters have been written by Bob. Exercise 2. Direction change to active to the passive. Mariah Carey sang a romantic song in her concert last night. Romantic songs were sung by Mariah Carey concert last night. Number 2, my father will repair to the computer tomorrow. Computer will be repaired by my father tomorrow. Fatima and Aisha were discussing the news. The news were being discussed by Fatima and Aisha. Mr. Yudhoyono reads 3 books every day. 3 books are read by Mr. Yudhoyono every day. I have finished a big project for today. A big project has been finished by me for 2 days. The president will be delivering a speech tomorrow morning. Speech will be delivered by the president tomorrow morning. Exercise 3. Direction change passive to the active. Number 1. This poem is written by this picture were taken by photographers. Photographers took this picture. The tasks are going to be submitted by our chairman. Chairman are going to submit the test. The book had been returned by Ken to the library. Ken has returned to the book to the library. Will the additional course be taken by you? Will you take the additional course? That delicious cake has to box by us. We will buy that delicious cake. Exercise 4. Direction change to the active to the passive if possible. Some verbs are intransitive and can be changed. Number 1, the smoke rise to the sky. Not change. We will continue the meeting after the break time. The meeting will be continued by us after the break time. Our team won the game yesterday. The game was won our team yesterday. It rained hard last night. No change. My daughter, she made happy when she went to the zoo. No change. The couriers have dropped the box in the garage. The box have been dropped by couriers in the garage.
Exercise 5. Direction correct the error in the sentence. We are interested in his idea. Answer is we are interested in his idea. 2. The cars are parking on basement during this meeting. Answer is
The cars are parked on the basement during this meeting. 3. The progress in being made every day. Answer. The progress in Big Mac every day. For Millicent has been told the news a long time ago. Millicent answer is Millicent have been out the news a long time ago. 5. Was my first telling be someone? Answer is was my first telling be someone. 6. I have been test be your mom for the test. Answer is have been tested be your mom for 3 years. Exercise 6. Direction circle the correct completion. 1. We can see many beautiful painting. This exhibition they were be famous Indonesia painter. Answer B. Painted. 2. Two tents or camping wall be my model. Answer is C. Be both. 3. A well now is the exact or of now office. The passive from the of the previous tense or now office. B. A will now accept this. Answer D. Is being designated. For the important email has been seen be my secretary. What is the active form of this tense? Answer is E. My secretary has sent the important email. 5. They translate some of the document last week. They pass it from of the previous tense some of documents. B. Time last week. Answer D. Were translate. 6. They canceled all click because of fog. The passive form of the tense is because of fog. Answer is D. All flight were cancelled.
Seven, his first book, Tomorrow Morning, they will be launched. Eight, he fixed the broken bricks every day. The passive form of the sentence is the broken bricks are fixed by him every day. 9, Susie has taken an English course. What is the passive form of the sentence? Say, an English course has been taken by Susie. 10, the computer are being used by the student now. What is the active form of the sentence? Say, the student are using the computer now.
Future perfect and future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous, the simple, past simple and past continuous. Ini jumlah dari keseluruhannya adalah tenses itu adalah 16 ya. And the past perfect continuous and future and the past words ya. Ini Anda lihat sendiri di structure and the for example-nya. Ini adalah kata kunci kalian untuk bekal sukses di grammar. Ya, oke. Sampai sini maybe question udah jelas belum? Saya ini saya lagi buka slide Anda nih. Jadi muka saya tidak terlihat. Ya, oke. Maybe question the rule and use age which for example passive voice. Nah, bila Anda ketemu Anda di descriptive text, maka beralih ke simple present tense. Tapi ke grammarnya adalah kenapa deskriptif masuk kategori dari grammarnya itu present tense karena deskriptif itu adalah mendeskripsikan sekarang, kejadian sekarang. Ade Armando misalnya, Ade Armando ditelanjangin, ya, bahkan dibully, bahkan dilemparin segala macam. Nah itu kan berarti berita yang up to date, berarti itu descriptive text. Maka rule-nya adalah kita gunakan apa? Simple present verb, bukan simple past tense. Kalau simple present itu ceritanya misalkan lampau, berarti lebih kemana? Naratif text. Gerund yang kedua, gerund yang pertama deskriptif, gerund yang kedua adalah naratif text. Nah ini kita mengarah ke naratif text, maka simple past tense. Itu telah lampau sudah kita lewati. For example, historical fiksi, non fiksi, Roro Jonggrang, Anda cerita itu, ya. Nah, tuh berarti itu fiksi yang memang nyata dan ada, seperti Seventeen selamanya, gitu kan, film WTV, gitu kan, itu kan cerita yang sudah lalu, ya. Bagaimana si Putra, bagaimana si Dewe, siapa tuh perannya Seventeen selamanya. Nah itu kan naratif, dibuatlah naratif teks. Jalan yang kedua, maka grammarnya kita gunakan adalah simple past tense, karena sudah lampau, kejadiannya sudah lewatin, gitu kan. Nah, oke, saya lagi ke materi, saya buka lagi. Verbnya. Nah, di sini tensisnya adalah past perfect continuous. Berarti di sini kalau past perfect berarti sudah lampau, maka ada continuousnya, maka diberi ing. Tapi dia tetap menggunakan verb yang ketiga. Sudah terlewat pastnya. Nah, oke. This is exercise, ya. Ada Bob write some letter. Maka jawabannya adalah the answernya some letter are bought by Bob. Nah, berarti ini adalah direction change the active to the passive. Kenapa? Why? Some letter, ya, are to be-nya adalah are. Bought itu membeli, ya, dari kata buy, ya, buy. Kenapa menjadi bought? Are bought by bought. Nah, di sini coba kita lihat yang number second, Bob wrote. Nah, ini dari write menulis menjadi wrote, berarti kata kerja ketiga. Maka diubah menjadi kata kerja kedua, written. Dari wrote menjadi written. Jadi write, written, wrote. Nah, kenapa? Ya Anda harus mengerti di verbnya, verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. Ya, paham ya? Anda jelas ya? Nah, this is until 13 number. Oke, exercise 2, 1.2, exercise 2. Direction change the active to the passive. Yang Maria Carey sang romantic song the heart concert last night. Berarti ini karena menceritakan Maria Carey ini penyanyi yang sangat romantis, ya gitu. Nah, di sini berarti dia suaranya apa? Romantic songs where, ya, where. Nama menggunakan where harus paham. Nama nggak menggunakan was, ya. Kenapa? Coba. Harinya harus siapa? Harinya hari kemarin. Yang pertama. subjek awal. Nah, kemudian Anda lihat coba di sini. Di exercise 3, 1.3. Nah, ini juga sama. Ya, kita apakah dia masuk dalam kategori perfect, and future tense, and simple present tense, and simple past tense, and simple continuous tense, and future perfect continuous, and future perfect past perfect. Ya, nah ini Anda harus bisa membedakan. Karena makanya tesis itu ingat ada 16, ada 16 itu hafal di luar kepala. Oke, ini sudah bagus, sudah ada jawabannya. Coba saya mau tanya nih, this is 1.6 ya, belum